Street, stroll and a walk in spring. This is Park Street, and we're just going to go towards this building down here, which quite a few movies have been shot in there, well, outside maybe. And also apparently, if you heard of Banksy, the street artist, he's supposed to have scratched something on one of the doors there, or I don't know what he did, but anyway, he put something on there. It was used in the movie Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels, is it? Guy Ritchie movie. I think they had their headquarters in there. They used it for the gang, for the movie. And if you look back there, you've got Neal's Yard down there, you've got the Southwark Cathedral there, and that lovely building there. Anyway, it's too busy. I was going to go to Borough Market today, but I'm not going to bother, so we're going to go down this way. I think they've put a new door on there now, actually. This is amazing warehouse building here, which is really old. Coffee. Anyway, bye for now, everybody. Have a great day.